say or tell. He won't blank it. He won't say it. She blank me everything. She tells me everything. I would never blank that. I would never say that. They blank him everything. They tell him everything. say የምንጠቀመው ትኩረታችን ንግግሩ ላይ ሲሆንና አድማጩ ላይ ሳይሆን ሲቀር ነው። tell መጠቀም ካለብን ደግሞ ትኩረታችን ተቀባዩ ወይም ደግሞ አድማጩ ላይ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So with the word tell, the listener is very important, but with the word say, we don't necessarily need to have the listener. Follow for more.